What are you gonna tell Ricker when you talk to him?
Nothing. High five it, man. I already told him a little bit about the Great American Bailout. Alright, choppy wrestling. And it stops on a fucking dime with me. Oh, what a great tune. Totally. Oh, fucking choppy's ready to go. You know the only thing I'm missing? I got enough oil to go about 50 miles. Choppy's ready to roll, baby. I don't have this light and I don't have a headlight. I get caught. And then I'm forced to put it on because then they have to write me a citation. So that's the whole rules. And I know I'm not talking about Iran, Iraq, or anything else, man. I'm just talking about our country. America needs to stand up fucking America again. Bob gave, man. It was a Bobathon, man. Because, see, more than just one person helps on Chopathon. It takes the whole community, even though it's small.
So what are we doing here right now?
I am pulling off the muffler, rotating it out to get to the rear axle so I can figure out what's wrong with my flat tire. This is why these Chinese love them so much, man, because they got love involved. The goddamn fucking animals ate my grease, fucking bastard. The bear did. That's who sucked all my grease out like a fucking silicone bum. Got a fucking bear. Chopathon. Burnt grease. Where's my teeth? The old worn out 1980s hub. There's the nail. This is what is delaying Chopathon. This is what's stopping the cost of freedom. Fuck. It's only one hole, man. One nail, one hole. Keith's front yard.
It's a pretty big hole though, ain't it?
Nah, not for a patch on Chopathon. Come on, it only goes 25 miles an hour, man. Ah, super nail. Yeah. That's what it is. These tires are fucking 30-something years old. What, 1980, 90, 2000, 30-something.
39, 29.
29 years old. That's 30-something in my books. I age quick. Sorry. I'm fixing a choppy too. It's all that I can do for you. For you. I wish I could take you with me. Nope, not a leak in it. You stay in place. I see you moving. Straighten out the tube. Let's go fill it up, man. See what love says. Move. I dropped my chrome cap. Yeah, what are you getting out of the garage, huh? Oh, no way.
Quite a bit of a process, huh?
Oh, fuck, it's a bitch, man. Well, I gotta get this fucking thing, this tube inside this fucking tire. See? And I don't have the right tools because Choppy doesn't exist anymore in the history of mopeds. Jesus Christ. Okay. I see a little dirt coming off it.
Micro leak, if anything, right?
Yeah. It's not a fucking leak in that fucker anywhere. Choppy made it over the mountain back. This is the smell of progress.
There's little Choppy Jr.,
Choppy
right?
Dad.
Choppy Senior?
Yeah.
Choppy Dad.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Oh. Here, I'll hold it.
Choppy Senior. There you go.
That ain't going no fucking where now.
Choppy Senior. Yeah.
You should start it out
Maybe
with
I'll
him.
do the first leg.
It's going to be on his birthday, you know?
I know, that's next week, right? Alright, Dougie.
No NASCAR, so.
Yeah.
Chill day, man. We're just
Chill
gonna-
day?
Chill day. We're gonna kick back around here and see if we can't, like, kick back around here.
Alright.